into umemyazi. Esithi masikule nkonzo yokubeka omunye. Ungahamba usilandele ihlala ibhalwe ngapha emva kwethu. Ithi ke ngizosebenzisa le gama le death because sithi le ukufa. And the next ukufa. Kodwa sesizosebenzisa le gama. Ithi ke death is only but a process, a natural process of two bodies being separated. Imizimba yemvelo nomoya ihlukaniswa. Mesithi lento mesiqhubeke ebhalwe lapha kwabahleli. Ithi suka kodwa ke umzimba wenyama siyawazi ukuthi usaphi. Lo moya uyazweli likamoya. Owenyama uyakuphi emhlabathi. Mesiqhubeka futhi shabalala ithi kodwa umoya i-destination yawo ilawulwa ukuthi umuntu hamba kanjani la. I-destination yenyama siyayazi siyakhona manje siyayibeka. Kodwa the destination of the spiritual body is only determined by how you live in the physical world. Now, asingakhohlisani sikhulume izinto ezingekho, sikhulume ngabantu abayizulwini. Ngoba nesibotho sithi siyezulwini. Nesigebengu sithi siyezulwini. Futhi thina ababoni sisukume sithi lo muntu uyezulwini. Kusho thina singamazi ukuthi bephilaphi. Ngithi-ke mina uNkulunkulu uthi izulu lingelami. Hayi bazalwane, uthi izulu lingelami. Therefore, abazongena ezulwini abazofanana nami. Hayi noma ubani. Bengikho-ke lapho. Bengizama nje ukucacisa ukuthi asikhulumi ngokufa kule bandla. Kepha sikhuluma nje ngokuthi two bodies. Enye iyakubo nenye iyakubo. Ibongo lalela moya lakhiwa uwe. Where you build the home for your spiritual body, that's so yakho. Usasela. Umholi baba uNkosi if I'm not mistaken. Ukhulumile la wathi uthando. Kudingeka ini uthando. Ngiyeza la kancane. Umzimba wethu kamoya bakumkhabe. Siyazi ukuthi umzimba wethu kumele ukhule kithi. Kule bantu umzimba wethu kamoya kumele ukhule as much as the physical body ages. Therefore the spiritual body also must grow. Kodwa the spiritual body doesn't grow automatically. It doesn't grow automatically. Maybe you think by coming to church when you grow your spirit. Maybe no. Maybe you think when your spirit is growing. No. Your spirit, let me tell you, your spirit can only grow only if you make God the center of each and everything that you do. God is going to be the center of everything that you do for your spirit to grow. I think that's kukhona abantu abenza izinto besenzele uNkulunkulu abafuna He was using the heavenly heart. You would want to commit yourself into something. You don't change. You've got to have the heavenly heart. In Israel, yes, then God must be the center, which means when you will have absolute life. Nothing can deter you. No matter who you are, you can stand and face it down. That's the character. Sitting and outstanding, uNkulunkulu abe center ya each every decision. Khona manje sisekwazweni kamkhulu unyoni. Kukhona abazeli kwani redeemed. Kukhona abazeli uzibona befundisa. Sihlale sibuze ukufundisa ngisakhuluma umuzi. Kukhona abazeli uzibona umhlabelelo. Kukhona abazeli nomunye ayabazeli uNkulunkulu. If God, my leader, is the center of everything, Mama G, that we do, then God cannot be a concept. He will be like natural. In problem yetu, Baba, siyashumayela, what about Mama Spuga Mongolo? Then what becomes a concept? That is why we are going to do so good. Yeah. And I want to lie, very good, Mama. What about to have another very good? Now, what is the social sort of celebrity? What about the Mama? Because what you want, Kulu as Kulu means someone that's a woman now. Because God is not the center of Shabbat. When you sing, God must be the center of the singing. That is why we need division of Kulu, because there's no God in the singing. Leadership, when we lead differently, no one will fail. But that is why it's not divided. No one will because there's no center. It's the only one. Who is God? No one is a good way of what that's on Kula. What I ask is let us find who's going to move on what I ask is I let public house. Let me tell you something about God. Onkulunkulu akabuki bakumkhabela. Imphumela kakhulu yezinto zenziwe. Hayi ngithi. Uyabona awukuthi uyabona manje uzafaka siye istate. Sonke besikhipha imali zethu siyama estate. Emabridge. Khona nje bevele badalela abayifana. Eyeke. Athi mina ngizokhiphela abayifana. Sahamba safika estate sajabula thawuna amakhwanthama yakho. Sagoba bebe kwamngani. Yaphela isita yethu kwabonke ukuthi isita yethu ibe yinhle. uNkulunkulu akabuki ubuhle bale isita. Ngiyithita manje. uNkulunkulu akabuki ubuhle bale isita. uNkulunkulu ubuka inhliziyo zenze isita. Those hearts, if the zenza are selfish, that is the spirit. Those hearts, if the zenza are full, that is the spirit. We think that God is a show off. God is not a show off. If God gets sponsor, God is not a center, senza ukuthi vele thina masazi ukuthi izulu aliboni nokuthi wenza ufana nomuntu ongenzi lutho
ngoba wenzela mina. Wabazala uNkulunkulu una everything. Umayeke uthi mangenza abantu ngomfanekiso wabo. Mase thatha le everything ayiphekeze bani bona. Then you come when uzobhatalela abantu abayi-5, then you want to be placed. How about the one person onikele ngakho bona? Makata akazama kumshayisa because he's a God of love. He is love. Go out there and continue. Utala mtu wena mawenzi zinto. Unkulunkulu bakhona zabanike bakhula thina hlabana labangene bathi elisini lama bathi hayi mina ngofaka 10. Omunye athi 25. Omunye athi 8. But what does it recognize the 8? He searches the heart. That's God. Go and show off well. What is watching you? He's a God of love. Those who understand him, they have to be love themselves. Born.
Kwabasekorinto bokuqala isahluko 10. Akungabikho ozifunela okwakhe, kodwa akube yilowo nalowo afunele omunye.
Akungabikho ozifunela okwakhe, kodwa kube nalowo nalowo afunele omunye. Ukwale impostoli ufundisa abantu. Don't think because you own something or you can provide something whether you are doing all around. God is watching you. Ufana nomuntu ofuna celebrate umndenini. What about umndeni oshile mu? Silosele ufuna lesuku sikusuku ukuthi umndeni bathi kaka siyabo umndeni kodwa ngoba ngiyofuna abantu. Because God is watching you. Now, what are you going to do when another trouble? No power. Ese ngibeke kuwe. Lizokwenza. Uyokhulisa ngalo. No, uyokubuso. Make no mistake. Ngikhuluma ngoNkulunkulu. Ukhokho matisha uthe ukhona wakhe. Ukunomunye wakhe. Because sonke, yabazala, lamabandla akhiwa negama likaJesu. Onke. Nawenza umsebenzi womnyama athi ngegama likaJesu. Nabafuna ukuqokelela imali yabantu babaleke nayo bathi ngegama likaJesu. Abafuna ukuveza into zabo bathi ngegama likaJesu. Umuphi lo Jesu? Makungabikho ozifunela okwakhe. Omunye nomunye makafune nomunye. Ngenhliziyo enothando. That's how we're going to grow our spiritual bodies. So that we can breathe when we enter the spiritual. Because it's the world that we can only breathe life. If for one time, the Holy Spirit will suffocate. Because for one time, we find that we can have oxygen here in the Same way, but we come in. I have a lot of people who are the Mutum about Mutum. Again, nothing for this, very much. For this, next development. Nothing about the matter to cook. By the service again. Actually, I'm but some call. But when we find a much credit, but father is okay. Message sexual, I open and get more than 7 but don't go. That's why I don't do it. It's because of a boy who doesn't down the home, but then I eat, who doesn't down the home. Who see who's so much that you and I don't look in the home. Who's what I want to get development, and I don't say that we development. Who find another son to Ujamu to a cool spirit side, and about no one is still cool. You're the one that which level. That's how you're going to see which you still need to develop or when you're okay. You still need to grow or you don't want to grow. But you can only grow if you can realize what is starting cool. If you're not able to cool it, also shall go. Ayikho ntabuhlungu ukufundisa ukukhulisa abantu njengoba umlomo ukufundisa abantu abayize bayazi bengazi. You need to know ukuthi you are here because wongazi wezwa umuntu owaziyo wakhetha ukandela umuntu owaziyo. So mawufika la mlaleli bakutshela ukuthi wena usaseba grade R safanele ukukhulise until uzofika grade 12 and that is a process. It doesn't happen automatically, but it's a process. Now, if you uzathi umbhali mabathobe bonke abantu ababizwa ngegama lami bakhuleke bafuna ukufa mina ngizoza ngisezulwini mabathoba abantu masiyekele ngifuna ukuvela ngathi siyazi singasiluphi singabonjombobo asazi masifuna ukuthi sazi sifunde ukuze our spiritual bodies can grow. That's how that's how we can grow our spiritual bodies. If everything that you do, you put God as a center in everything that you do, in your home, in your house, every day, God must be the center. In a Sunday, but every day. That's how God must grow.